Hello guys, welcome to Net TV YouTube channel, and for today's video we are going to talk about the reduce background noise in Teams meeting. Alright, so I'll show you how to do it, okay, um, for you to be able to know what to do. Alright, and now when your mic is turned on in a Teams meeting or call, background noise around you, like shuffling papers, slamming doors, barking dogs, and so on can distract others. So Teams offers three level of noise suppression for the Teams desktop app and iOS to help keep meeting participants focused. Alright, so here's how we do it. Okay, so to remove or reduce the background noise, you have to open the Team app first, of course. Here, click Teams. There, on the right hand side, on top of it, on top right corner, of the profile picture, you can see the three dot beside here. Click it, click, and then click settings menu. On the settings menu, go down below and then select device, and then toggle on the switch for noise suppression here. Scroll down here. By default, it's set to auto, means that you will still hear the background noise. So you have to select high so that it will lessen or reduce the background noise. Alright, and then, oops, there you go, that's it. Okay, so that's how you do it. Alright, that's it. Okay, so for if you want to know more about any knowledgeable and educational video, just click the button below, click subscribe and comment so that I will you for a new video. Okay, I will make a new video for that. Alright, so see you in my next video. Bye.